here we have to prove that from 0 to pi by 4 the integral 2 tan cube x dx is equal to 1 minus log 2. Okay, so now let 0 to pi by 4 to tan square x tan x dx. Okay, to tan cube x I have written 2 tan square x tan x. Now this becomes 0 to pi by 4. Now tan square x is what? We can write it secant square x minus 1 with tan x dx. Secant square x tan x dx minus 2 tan x dx. Okay. Now let I1 is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 2 with secant square x tan x dx, solving individually. Okay, now let tan x is equal to t secant square x dx is equal to dt on differentiating. So the question becomes now to 0 to pi by 4. Okay, let's change the limits also, or we have to, if we are not changing the limits, then we have to put again in place of t tan x. Okay, so better is to change the limits. Now let when x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, when x is pi by 4, then t is equal to 1. Okay, so changing the limits now, what we are having, 2 with 0 to 1 t dt. Okay, so now this becomes 2 with t square upon 2 with 0 to 1. So this becomes t square 0 to 1 and I1 is equal to 1 minus 0. Okay. Now again writing the question, integration of twice of this one 0 to pi by 4 secant square x tan x minus 2 integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Tan x dx minus 2 integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Okay. Now this part we have already solved it. So we are left with integration of 1. So the result was 1. 1 minus 2 with minus log cos x 0 to pi by 4. Like this. Now what we are having? Plus 2 log cos pi by 4 minus log 0. log cos 45 degree. Now it is what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Now this is equal to, sorry, this is 1, not I, 1. 1, no. 1 plus 2 with log 2 raised to power minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 log 2, and this is equal to 1 minus log 2. So we have proved, hence we can write it 0 to pi by 4 to tan cube x dx is equal to 1 minus log 2. Okay.